There are many voices in our world today, loud, demanding, and confusing. But in the gospel, Jesus speaks of one voice that truly matters. He says, "My sheep hear my voice. I know them, and they follow me." Jesus is our good shepherd. He knows your name. He knows your struggles. He knows the silent battles in your heart. Other voices may promise happiness like money, success, doing whatever we want, but in the end, they leave us empty and restless. The voice of Jesus is different. It is gentle, it is patient, and it is full of love. Even when you feel lost, even when you have made mistakes, He does not stop calling you. Come back, I am here. I have not forgotten you. So today, take a moment of silence. Listen beyond the noise of the world because His voice does not lead you to fear. It leads you to peace, to hope, and to life. And He is calling you even now. Amen.